In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix and edit mobile view on Shopify. More than half of online shoppers browse on their phones, so making your store look great on mobile isn't optional, it's essential. I'll walk you through getting into Shopify's theme editor, switching to the mobile preview, and making practical tweaks so your store is clean, readable, and easy to use on small screens. Start by opening the Shopify website in your browser and signing into your admin. Once you're in, look at the left-hand sidebar and select Online Store. This takes you to your Themes page, where you can work on the theme that powers your storefront. Next, find your current theme and choose Customize. Depending on your setup, you might see Edit Theme or Customize. Either way, you're heading into the theme editor, which is where all the visual adjustments happen. Give the editor a second to load. You'll see a live preview of your store in the center, with a settings panel on the side. Now switch the preview to a mobile view. At the top of the editor, look for the device icons and choose the phone option. The preview instantly resizes to a smartphone layout, so you can see exactly how your pages stack and scroll on a smaller screen. This is where you'll catch issues like oversized images, cramped text, or buttons that are too close together. With mobile view active, start refining. Check your header. Make sure the logo isn't overpowering and that the menu icon is visible and easy to tap. Review your announcement bar to ensure it fits on one line or breaks cleanly. Look at your hero images and banners. Adjust image cropping or focal points so key content doesn't get cut off. For text sections, increase font size or tweak spacing so paragraphs are readable without zooming. Make buttons large, high contrast, and well spaced. Thumb-friendly targets prevent accidental taps. On product grids, aim for a clean 1 or 2 column layout. Uniform image ratios help everything line up neatly. If your theme offers section visibility controls, consider simplifying by hiding overly complex blocks on mobile. Slideshows can be reduced to a single strong image if they feel cramped. As you scroll, pay attention to pop-ups, sticky bars, and forms. Nothing should cover essential content. When you're happy with the changes, click Save in the top right corner of the editor. Wait for the confirmation that your changes have been saved. That's it. You've opened your Shopify store, entered the theme editor, switched to mobile view, made your fixes, and saved. Repeat this approach for your key pages to keep the mobile experience consistent across your store.